What is going on, guys? It's Reloaded here. I'm going to be reacting to Life with Cats. It's only like about a minute long, so let's just get this started. See the cats up there? My chicken dinner on the island. Oh, I see it. It's right there. Right in front of the fridge. What's cat thinking?
What the fuck?
Oh my god. That was awesome. That was so good. That was priceless. That was wow. Oh man. I have cats at my mom's house, and legit every time I have dinner or anything like that, they always bug me and jump on my bed and try to get my food. And even when I shut my door, they always scratch at it, try to get in. It's so annoying. But yeah, cats are like this, and it's hilarious. His reaction was priceless. It was so good. Yeah, I love this video. It's hilarious. And till next time, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.